Hello everybody, Johnny here coming at you today with a video about discoverability, how to build your YouTube channel from scratch. When you have a small channel like I do, it's very important to do everything in your power to make it easy for people to discover your channel. Now, take everything that I say with a grain of salt because my channel is still very small, so I don't have proof that any of this works, but I've done a lot of research and all I want to do is relay some of the information that I've gathered. So here we go. Alright, so let's get some of the basic obvious stuff out of the way. You definitely want to share on Twitter, Facebook and so on, whatever your social networks of choice are, but I'm going to make a special mention for Reddit because I think it's a very powerful tool. Whatever it is you're doing, there is probably a well-established subreddit about it. Let's say I'm doing a new series for Dark Souls 3. One of the things I do is I go into the subreddit for that game and I interact with people. Whenever it's relevant, I'll bring up that I'm doing a Let's Play on it, and if people are interested, they might jump on. They might consider watching my videos from that point. What you don't want to do is just spam links to your videos on those channels because people can get very angry and they might mob on you and just dislike your videos for the simple reason that you're spamming. But if you're reasonable and bring up your videos when they are relevant, you will see quite an increase in the viewership coming from Reddit. I'm bringing up some stats to back up my spiel here, and you can see from Reddit I'm getting 60% of traffic from external sources. So even compared with Facebook and all the other stuff that I do like Twitter, Reddit is the main way that I've gotten new people to check out my videos. So definitely consider doing that, and again, engage with people rather than just spamming and posting your links out of nowhere. Now the next thing I want to talk about is branding. A lot of the big YouTube channels have gotten this right and you might not even realize that they're doing it, but let's break down some of the basic things that will help you make your videos more recognizable. And before I do this, I'm gonna preface this with saying one of the big ways people discover your content when you have a new channel like mine is via the suggested videos tab on the right. So the big thing you want to do is make your videos, the thumbnails of your videos, recognizable to the point where if somebody is watching your video, they know for sure which of the videos on the suggested tab are from you as opposed to some other random person. So I'll just show you a few examples. I got different playlists with different videos, but all of them invariably have the Johnny brand, which is what I'm going for, on the left side, and they have my logo on the top or the bottom sometimes. And you can see there's a point in time where I started doing this and even other videos have it. It might vary a little bit, but overall these are clearly recognizable. You know for sure that the video is coming from me, it is my channel, and if you enjoyed the video you're watching, you know that you can go and click on those suggestions for more, right? And you can see a clear increase in suggested videos. So I noticed that people were clicking or discovering my content via suggested videos a lot more once I started doing this. And I think it's important to brand your channel like that. So find a logo, something that identifies your channel, and put that on every thumbnail. So the very last thing I want to mention is having an intro and an outro to your videos. To be clear, I'm not saying to wait until you have these things in order to do videos. Definitely get out there and make videos, just get experience. But these are things you're gonna want to introduce in your content when you can. So an intro will give you something of an engagement tool to get people on board early on and say, oh, okay, this is cool, I like the vibe of this video. So a lot of the times it will be for new people watching your content to just get them, bring them in and keep them engaged in the very beginning of your video. For the final part, it is great to have an outro, not only for the purposes that I just discussed with the intro, but also because it will give you the ability to link to other videos. So here is my outro. You can see it's very cool. A friend helped me put these together, but not only does it look cool, it also serves a very clear purpose. Someone watching my video for the first time, if they enjoy it, they can click other videos on my channel here on the screen, and they can chain watch content from my channel. and then hopefully from there it can kind of escalate into growing your viewership. So those are the basic tips on how to improve the discoverability of your channel from my humble point of view. I hope that helps in some way. If it does, let me know down below what's going on with your channel. What stage are you on? Does this help in any way? Do you have anything to add to this? I'm very interested in always learning new stuff about this. So hit me up with all of that down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.